One of the best ways to get the best out of ChatGPT is to customize it to fully understand who you are, what you want, and how you want it to respond to you, right? So one way to customize your experience with ChatGPT is by fixing up the customization. Now, so many people are not aware of this. I'm going to take you quickly through how to customize ChatGPT. And know this time you're not inserting prompts. You're just simply going to come down here to your profile, where your profile, if you set your picture, you're going to see it. You click on this and you see this customize chat GPT. So you click on customize chat GPT and you see this, what should chat GPT call you? You can put your name. Then my name is Greatness Vincent, so I'll just put Greatness Vincent, right? Then what do you do now? You put in your business, whatever you do. Are you a graphic designer? Are you a developer? Are you a virtual assistant? Whatever you do, you fill it in there, right? Now I'm not going to put my own details here. What traits should ChatGPT have? That is, how should it be with you? Should it be chatty, witty, straight shooting, encouraging? You want it to chat like a Gen Z, like use Gen Z slangs and all that? Or do you want it to just go forward thinking or traditional? Or you can even put your own stuffs here. If you don't want to choose from any of these options, you can see you can put in whatever you want to put there on how you want ChatGPT to behave with you. This, you're customizing the character of ChatGPT, right? Now you go, anything else ChatGPT should know about you, anything you want ChatGPT to know about you, your preference in your styles and everything. Now, if you notice, so many times when you use ChatGPT to write script or write something and you submit it, it gets flagged because people would be able to know that, oh, this got it from AI, right? Based on the way AI has a kind of systematic structure of writing. But now I'm going to show you a prompt that you're going to insert to ensure that all your writings and answers that ChatGPT will give you would be humanly structured, that it won't be detectable to be AI. So I've already put in the prompt. I'm just going to copy it here. Now, I'm not going to read through all this, but I'm going to put the prompt in the description of this video so you can go check it out. Use this prompt and all your answers from ChatGPT will be humanly structured, right? So that's it. A prompt in the description. So just go there. So we're going to continue to our customization. You can see advanced. You click on it. Now you see ChatGPT capabilities. You want to tick all these stuffs. If they are off on your own, I've turned them on already. You just click on them, turn them on, and you can see enable for new chats. That is every other chat you have from now. So you walk through all this, put in the correct details, and you click save. Now, the moment you click save, your chat GPT has been customized fully well and perfectly well. For you to confirm that it's worked out well, you're going to click back on your profile picture, go back to customize GTP, and you look. If you see exactly what you put in before, just the way you fix it, then it shows it's worked perfectly and correctly. Now, another powerful thing you can do is you click here back to the profile picture. You go to settings. You go to settings. Now, you see general settings. If you want to update your app, you click here for check for updates. Launch at login. That is whenever you put on your PC, it logs in. You can choose your theme. Do you want it in system theme, light theme, or dark theme? I use a dark theme, right? Now, your font size, if you want to increase your font size, maybe you don't see the text clearly, you increase it or you want to reduce it. The language, now you can leave it on auto detect, or you can choose the language you want ChatGPT to communicate with you in, any language of your choice. So if you don't understand English, you don't need to struggle trying to cope with ChatGPT. Just fix on any language of your choice and it will be correctly customized. It will go there. Then the voice, that's if you're using voice test with ChatGPT voice chat, the kind of voice you want to hear, right? Then show follow-up suggestions in chat. Now, if you chat with ChatGPT, you notice if you ask a question, it gives you some kind of suggestion that, okay, I've answered this. Would you like me to do something else? Would you like me to do this or do that? So you're going to turn this on so you can give up follow-up suggestions, right? Now you go to notifications, you get notified of response from ChatGPT or tags. That is when you create tags. For example, you might tell ChatGPT to design something for you and it's kind of taking some time. You can leave the app doing your stuff on other apps. When that task is done by ChatGPT, it gives you a notification that this task has been done, right? You can click on personalization. Now, you see reference saved memories. Now, what this means is giving ChatGPT the ability to be able to reference what you've done before. If you turn this off, each time you chat with ChatGPT, it will be like a new brain. But when you turn this on, you can reference your old chats pending when you turn it on. As that's when you turn this on, you can reference your old chats, and it's now more like you're talking to a brain that has a compilation of everything you've discussed with it, right? Same thing about referencing chat history. So you want to make sure this is turned on. You go to data controls, you can turn on improve models. You can turn on the ability to archive chats, delete certain chats, export data, whatever, whatever, and whatever. Now, security, if you have not turned on two-factor verification, this is what you have to do. You click here. It's going to show you how you're going to do that. So back here, you can go on, make some other settings. Now, accounts. If you want to delete your account, you can delete your account. If you want to personalize your builder profile to connect it users of ChatGPTs, you can do all of this, right? You can add up your LinkedIn, your whatever account you want to add, and all those stuffs. And that's it. Powerful settings to optimize and customize ChatGPT to fit exactly how you want it. So this way, whatever your preference is, you can get it from ChatGPT. You are in full control of your experience in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is just like a human. For example, you treat it the way you treat a human being, just that this one you have the power to control the attitude, the character of this person. That's wonderful, right? If you love what you just watched, do well to like, comment, share this video so that other people can learn. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Do have a blessed day. Bye.